Sania, daughter of Sayyid Jilani Sahab. Welcome you all by Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am given a chance to present paper presentation in English language. The other name of happiness and festivity is Eid in India. Eid is celebrated with great joy and happiness. Muslims celebrate two Eid in the year. The first Eid of the year is known as Eid ul-Fitr and second is called Eid ul-Adha. Today I am speak about Eid ul-Adha. It is the Eid of sacrifice on the 10th day Zil-Hijjah, the last month of Islamic year. Every Muslim celebrates this day of commitment and self-sacrifice to Allah. In the morning, namaz is offered in masjid. They visit each other's house and exchange sweet desserts, etc. It is auspicious to offer domestic animals like sheep, goat, camel, etc. As a symbol of Prophet Ibrahim, sacrifice this meat is distributed among friends and relatives to the poor and needy people. Eid al-Adha Bakra Eid falls on the last month of Islamic calendar Hijri. It is celebrated after the Hijri is complete. The meat is divided into three parts. One part is given to poor people. The other two parts are distributed among friends and relatives. There is a story related to it. Once Prophet Ibrahim was put to test by Allah. He was asked to sacrifice his son, Prophet Ismail. Prophet Ibrahim got ready to sacrifice his son, but a sheep came in between. This example of devotion to Allah is a landmark for the follower Islam. Thank you very much.
I am Hashmi Farjahan, daughter of Javed. Welcome you all by Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am given a chance to present paper presentation in English language. Eid ul-Fitr is the festival of Muslims. This festival comes in the Islamic month of Shawwal. It is very important festival for Muslims. All the Muslims of the world celebrate Eid ul-Fitr with happiness. Before Eid, we keep the 30 fast, and to this 30 fast we call Ramzan. In the fast, we wake up early before Namaz-e-Fajr and we eat food, drink water. To do all this, we call Sahur. After Sahur, we pray Namaz-e-Fajr and we don't eat anything on the whole day. We worship all the day. We pray 5 times Namaz and read Quran. After Namaz-e-Asr, we break our fast with all members of family. Thus, we complete our 30 fast. In the month of Ramadan, we go to shops and we buy new clothes, shoes and other things for day of the Eid. In the Ramzan, we help to the poor people by money. Day of the Eid, we wake up early, get ready, we wear new clothes, shoes, etc. And men go to mosque for pay namaz, and ladies pay namaz in the home. Before Eid, we cook new dishes, and very important dish of Eid ul-Fitr is sheer khurma. We very happy, and kids take some money to elders. To this money, we call Eid. Day of the Eid, we meet to our friends, relatives, neighbors, etc. Thus, Eid ul-Fitr finished with good memories. Thank you very much.
I am Sayyid Abdullah, son of Sayyid Naimuddin Sahab. Welcome you all by Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am giving a chance to present presentation is English language. There are many religions in world. In that one religion is Islam. In Islam have two festivals. These only two festivals. First Eid ul-Fitr and second Eid ul-Adha. The people having in Islam is called Muslim. Muslim people mostly celebrate two festivals. Eid ul-Fitr celebrating first time from Hazrat Adam alayhi salam. Eid ul-Fitr celebrate putting 13 fast and celebrate one Shawwal. This day every man, lady, elder, younger having happy and people going to Eidgah for paying namaz. After paying namaz, every pupil comes to home and eat sheer khurma with different another dish. Thank you.
I am Munshi Ashwin Fatima, daughter of Munshi Muhammad Ejaz. Welcome you all by Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am given a chance to present paper presentation in English language. We are Muslims celebrated two festivals. First is Eid al-Fitr and second is Eid al-Adha. Today I am speak about Eid al-Fitr. Eid al-Fitr is a gift from Allah to His people for fasting for the whole month of Ramzan. Ramzan is a month when Muslims fast and pray to grow closer to Allah. Ramzan is a ninth month of Islamic calendar. The common practice during Ramzan is fasting from dawn to sunset. The pre-dawn meal before the fast is called the seher, while the meal at sunset that breaks the fast in the iftar. During Ramzan, all Muslims pay Tarawih after Namaz Isha and or read Holy Quran. Eid al-Fitr is a Muslim festival which is celebrated when Ramzan is finished. When the new moon is seen after the month of Ramzan, the next day is Eid al-Fitr. After the Eid prayer, the Muslims greet each other by saying Eid Mubarak. Eid al-Fitr lasts 3 days. During this festival, children accept gifts and Eid in form of money from adults for enjoyment, forgiveness and feast on a milk cereal called Sivai. In this festival, we are Muslim women prepare special festive dishes. Example, Shiru Kurma is a special dish is served on the morning of Eid day in family and relative after the Eid prayers. All Muslim men, boy and little children go to Eidgah and pay Namaz Eid. All women pay Namaz Eid in the house. We wear new and clean dresses and go to their relatives to meet them. It is celebrated in the first day of month of Shawwal. The Muslims have to give zakat in this holy month. Thank you very much.
I am Zoya, daughter of Ghaffar Sahab. Welcome you all by Islamic greetings. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am given a chance to present paper presentation in English language. In a Muslim religion, we celebrate two festivals. First is Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. In Eid al-Fitr, we see the moon and eat sehri. In sehri, we take dates, milk, chapatis, fruits, vegetables as a food. Before the azan of Fajr, our time of sehri is over. After the namaz of Fajr, up to namaz of Maghrib, we won't take anything in between as a food. It's taken as fast. Before 10 minutes of the azan of Maghrib, we release our fast. Means we eat fruits, vegetables and etc. as a food. This process goes up to 30 days like this. On 30th day, we see moon that we call Chandra before day of Eid. On the day of Eid, we wear new dresses for the celebration of Eid. We pay our respect to our elders in face of Salam. After Salam, we got money that we call Eid from our elders on the celebration of Eid. Our mother prepares sweet dishes that we like very much. That is Sheer Khurma. We visit to our relatives to pay the Salam of Eid. Thank you very much.
I am Mania Saqib, son of Ismail Sahab. Welcome you all by Islamic greeting. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today I am given a chance to present paper presentation in English language. In the Islamic religions, there is two important festivals per year. These are number 1 Eid al-Fitr, number 2 Eid al-Adha. Eid al-Fitr. This festival is came after religious month called Ramzan, in which all the Muslims fasting together. This religious Eid is the first and only day in the month of Shawwal permitted to fast. In the whole month of Ramzan, all Muslims fasting from early morning to sunset. The date and day of celebrating Eid al-Fitr differs with locality or country. It starts by going to Eidgah, the place where namaz of Eid paid, and praying the first namaz. Family and other social gatherings, traditional sweet dishes, feasting, using perfume, wearing new clothes, shopping and gift giving. Thank you very much.
Thank you for watching our video.
To see more videos of the Deccan Kids,
Please subscribe our YouTube channel.
and don't forget hit the bell icon.
Please do like and share our video.
And write your views in comment box.
Thank you.
Thank you.